Don't worry about it. Just let it flow. Just let it flow. Let's get started. No critiques today. I don't think so.
Hey. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of glad there are no critiques today, so I don't have to sit quietly in the room for like an hour.
Right. Alrighty. So let's get over to the dojo. Welcome. Alrighty. So we've got this dude.
That's a dynamic pose. I like that. I like where you're going with it.
You like it?
Yeah. Yeah, it looks very dynamic.
Nice.
I love it.
Yeah. Appreciate that.
Oh, new Transformers movie.
Movie? Like
series.
Cartoon movie or?
It's like a 3D cartoon. It's actually pretty high quality. Yes. Oh, look at those textures.
It's a game or a show?
Show on Netflix.
Okay,
it's a show. It goes for 6 episodes, and it's chapter 1 of the tier. Well, practice. Just gotta keep practicing. Just gotta keep grinding.
Yeah, you gotta grind it.
Yeah.
Like our mentor always says, another one.
Exactly. That's how it's done. Hear it from the hardest working person from ZB Hub.
Yeah.
It's just that hard work. And the second hardest working from ZB Hub that's streaming right now.
Well, yeah. He's just so funny every time.
Every time.
Yeah.
Funny. You just said it. You said it's funny.
It's not.
Did you finish that other piece where it was like the guy and the girl, and there was this half like,
No, you pointed out that the other arm was not the same as the other one, so I just gave up on it. Yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah, that was it.
I mean, you had already broken symmetry and just kind of lost it.
I was I just like blocking out all these ideas so I can just have a bunch of different stuff to work on. I don't want to. I used to just work on one piece only for so long, and I would just burn myself out after like 2 of them. You know.
I agree. Like having a piece that's already posed, and you just go in and work on major forms. It's always nice. Not having to pose, because posing is probably, if not the most boring, it's at least the second most boring part of the sculpting.
Oh. Yeah. Well, unless you have a rig, and then it's really, really fun.
Is it?
Oh man, yeah, dude, you can do so much so quickly. Like if you fail, it's just like it doesn't cost anything. But like in ZBrush, like if you try to pose something, dude, like just even putting the Z-sphere rig in place every time for every character, or I guess you could have a like a consistent setup or something like that. So, but yeah, I don't know.
Z-sphere rig.
Yeah, I just. There's facial controls, there's facts, like facial action control system, and I don't know, just seems a whole lot easier.
So with the face, like, do you go straight into the face doing it asymmetry, or do you do it symmetrical for faces?
However it's posed is however I sculpt it. Just because it's like, I know it's going to be off, but I think that adds to it instead of takes away, because like no face is symmetrical, and if and you might get a happy accident or whatever, and then if it doesn't work out, you have to resculpt the other side anyway if you didn't have symmetry. So I mean, it's like there's no loss.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Because generally back when we used to do it, we would like go in, sculpt it symmetrical, then when we are done, we'd go in, break the symmetry, and just work on each side separately so it doesn't look too symmetrical. Yeah, that's tough, man. That's I still don't do faces asymmetrically.
You know who does that?
Steve Lord.
Yeah.
That's why I sculpt all my bodies. Like anatomy, I do asymmetry. Like I don't sculpt symmetrical anymore.
Right.
But faces, I still do asymmetry.
Yeah. Gotta get better. Gotta catch up with Steve Lord.
Hell yeah, right. We all do.
It's probably never gonna happen, but yeah.
We all gotta catch up.
But I'm really proud of ourselves. The fact that we don't sculpt in, symmetry.
Oh yeah.
Sculpting in pose just always just looks better.
Oh
Looks
yeah.
natural.
It's a badass piece. And usually, like, I love sculpting collectibles. I'm not like a real big collector of them because the paint jobs are hardly ever as good as, like, after doing it digitally and knowing all the tricks and all that stuff and how to get, like, skin tones and all that. I just it seems more of like a process that people could just follow most of the time. But I don't know. It just most of them, like I've seen most of the custom paint jobs and they look like they're just slapped on and then sent out, and I just like, ugh. But I know Sideshow's totally not like that.
The thing about paint job is that, or a sculptor, when you make the piece, throughout the production process, what you've done as part of the art or your craft, it doesn't change. Yeah. What you did at the start is what you get. But for a painter, like someone like Casey Love, who's one of the best painters out there, he sits there and paints this thing. In the production process, the guy in the factory doesn't have the skill level that Casey Love has.
Right.
So there's no way we will ever get a sculpture that has the same amount of, paint work on it that originally Casey Love put on the, prototype. So it's that's the sucky part. You'll never get the master paint. But then when Daniel Bell sculpts something, you're gonna get Daniel Bell's sculpture because nobody in the factory has to go in and re-sculpt it.
Oh yeah. Well, hopefully this one has got a good paint job. I mean, most of the Sideshow's paint job work is really, really good. Anyway. Yeah, I almost got that Batman the Animated Series piece.
Which one was that?
Christopher, yeah, this is how I pose the Wonder Woman as well. But yeah, they I don't know if it was from them, but they were publishing it. But they had a Batman the Animated Series, and I was like, I almost picked it up. So close, but this dragon chick is just one of the best I've ever seen.
Yeah, Batman. I've seen that Batman animated series. I saw that at a comic book shop.
Yeah,
it's a big piece. That's a big boy.
Yeah, how many people are watching this stream on their phone? Okay, so I think it's enough tweaking.
You better be throwing that in ZBrush.
Hell yeah, brother. Yeah, but this is the one that Chris sent over earlier that we're talking about. Look, good job, brother. Look at that light. Look at that. Look at the difference between two. Boom, boom, boom.
That's good lighting.
Boom. You know what I'm saying, brother?
Where did you learn that?
Where did you? Oh, that's right. You learned it from my Keyshot rendering for character artists.
I wish I knew how to render like that. Where can I learn to render like that?
Right. Right here, ArtStation. Look at all this. Look at all this great 5-star. All right.
Weren't those tutorials top row at some point on ArtStation in Marketplace?
Yeah, pretty much every time I release one now, it's just go straight up to the top. I mean,
yeah, so we don't like monopoly in this market, so let's cancel Spicer because we need to split the wealth.
Yeah. We need an equality of outcome.
Yeah.
Immediately.
Oh. Hey guys.
What's going on?
What are you guys doing?
Working and twerking to $1 million. What about you?
Good. I made a blog.
Oh yeah? What is it? What is it about? Is it about life as a vampire CG artist?
Hey, it's called Robot Pill.
Oh, you got a link or what? What's the purpose of the blog?
Well, it's a go-to for everything that I do, basically,
Mhm.
and all my social media stuff, and and there's also like an email subscription thing. So every time I post something, you'd get an email.
Mm.
Well, you want me to post daily?
Like
that-
everything, dude. Post everything. Like what
I'm
you're
thinking-
eating, what your workout schedule's like, your
Because
butt.
that's what people love, getting harassed by companies
Yeah.
and websites sending
Yeah.
in random newsletters.
Yeah.
You just have pictures of your butt on there, you know, like
Oh,
drinking.
that people will enjoy.
Yeah, drinking some.
You're like, I was looking at it as I just got out of the shower yesterday. I looked at my butthole, and it looks like a certain I find. Is that crazy? New model. That looks like my uncle.
Oh yeah. Come get
Your uncle is the goblin.
Come get some nephew. I fuck you up. Come get some. Show you what real. All right, brothers. Well, we got a goblin head done, sort of, kind of. We got that.
Looks like Rasputin.
Ooh. He's like, yeah, the guy was. This is a Mike Perry version of Conan.
Rabbi. Looks like a rabbi goblin.
Wow.
Holy shit! This guy just.
Dude,
Oh my
that
god.
was.
Yeah.
Was that racist? Come
I
on,
was
dude.
hoping we didn't go there,
Wow.
but he did go there.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. You're lucky Spicer is Jewish and he's not getting.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a pass on that one.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, everybody, let us into the sanctum of thy Scottiaton. The stream to a close.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Don't worry about that thing over there. It is totally not there. There we go. Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here on the stream. Thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay. We got a goblin head guy kind of done. We could do better. We could have done better, but I think it's a good start. I've been wanting to do a Conan sculpt for a while. And so that's what we're going to do. Let's see. So if you haven't liked, you haven't subscribed, if you haven't followed this channel, shame on you. This Saturday, we will be doing a live tutorial recording on the back. So we're going to go over all the muscles on the back. We're going to tell you where they come from, where they go to, what they do, how you should sculpt it, the bony landmarks, things you can count on, some observations of medical drawings, observations of real life drawings, every Saturday right here in the ZB Ho Dojo. All right. There's going to be some good news. Good news. I think around the 9th or 12th, some big news. So make sure you're here, and we will see you yet again on the next stream. Together we shall come together as one.
Bye bye.